elementary school, in English and math and science class, learning golden rules. I learned how add and how subtract, how to multiply and divide. I learned about bugs and I learned about plants, and I learned how to read and write. But my most favorite class of all was my last class of the day, when my history teacher would tell us tales about days that passed away. I was amazed at the way she knew all the things about people and the places and the dates. But at first I learned about General Lee and his 13 rebel states. One day she came in school with a big brown grocery bag. She opened it up, we'll hold up this big red H-shaped flag. She said, "Class, now only a fool said you that this flag is the symbol of hate. It represents the man who fought and died to be pride for our Confederate state. Your assignment tonight, I want you to write, I want you to pretend one of these great people came back to life. What would you say to him? Mr. Confederate man, I'd like to shake your hand for giving your life for Dixieland. Mr. Confederate man, Mr. Confederate man, I'd like to shake your hand for giving your life for Dixieland. Mr. Confederate